Okay, let's try this one. Aaron, Darren, Karen, Marin, Sharon rode on a small train that has 5 cars that seat one person each. Okay, so we have 5 cars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Marin sat in the last car. So let's put Marin in the last car. Let's see. So if the train is going this way, let's say this is the last car. So we're going to put Marin over here. Aaron sat directly behind Sharon. So we know that it's going to be AS like that. We just don't know where to put them yet. And then Darren sat in one of the cars in front of Aaron. So Darren has to be around here somewhere. At least one person sat between Karen and Darren. Okay. So if at least one person sat between Karen and Darren, so Karen is the only one left. So let's see. Well, we can't put Karen here because one person has to be between them. And so the only place it looks like we can put Karen, and we can't put Karen here because that would be directly behind Darren. So Karen is going to have to be here, it seems like. So we're going to have MKASD. All right, and it says who sat in the middle car. It's going to be Aaron. So we're going to go with A. Yep. All right.